Hey everyone, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my Amazon for Beginners channel. And on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do product research for an Amazon FBA business. Excuse me. But before I start, I want to invite you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group where I do my free weekly coaching calls. And it's also a good place for Amazon sellers like you to meet other sellers. And that way, you guys can learn and network with each other, right? So, with that said, this is my video for today, and this is how you do product research. So, you start with opening up your Amazon product page, right? And then from here, you would also open up your supplier page. It looks like this. So suppliers are usually like retailers, like GameStop for this example, Kohl's, Walmart, Target, Home Depot, Petco, and other retailers. So first up is for you guys to match. Make sure that the products match, right? And then from here, you guys are going to plug in the cost of the product. So you plug in the cost from the supplier's website, which is $22.50. Okay, $22.50. And then from here, you guys are going to see the numbers, right? So this is the ROI right here. Sales per month is 5. This one is a variation. It says V right here. So since it said variation, I would go to variation here in the bottom. Look for the exact variation here. And then I would check the variation. So this exact variation is getting 100% of all the sales, right? Or the ratings, which means this exact variation is getting 5 sales a month. So now I would go down to the competition, and then I would have to decide if I'm willing to share 5 sales a month, right, with these other sellers right here. And to me, this is not worth it because you guys are going to be sharing 5 sales a month with 9 other people in the group. I'm sorry, on the listing. With this much inventory, I mean the ROI is pretty high, honestly, but um, I don't know. I don't know about this one. ROI is really high, but the concern is it's only selling 5 times a month. So if you're willing to um, wait wait for a sale and get a high ROI, I mean you can get on this product. As far as the keep short, I mean the price is up and down. The seller count here is pretty okay. But again, the concern is the very low sales per month of 5, right? So there's that. I think I'm going to skip this one personally. But if you guys want to wait for a while to sell that product for a high ROI, you can. So next one is an Under Armour outdoor hoodie. So this one is a blue color. So what is this one? No, this one's I think light blue. Okay, this one looks like it. This one is a large. What size is this? So it's making me sound like a size. I would pick medium, maybe medium. So $48, and then medium here is going to be $24. So medium and blue, right? The colors and size. This one is a medium and blue. And then here I plug the cost of $24. This one is selling 753 times a month. This one is a variation. So I would go down variation here, and then I would check. Man, this thing is not working again. So I would go to variations. Wait a second. Is it not working? Or... Yeah, it's not working. So this one's going to be interesting because we're going to have to look at the exact sale per variation on Keepa. And there's a lot of variations, right, on this one. So I would look for the blue color. So it's a midnight navy mountain blue, right? Yeah, so midnight, navy, mountain blue. I think for that one, midnight. Let's see. Okay. Midnight, navy, okay. Mountain blue, size medium, right? Okay. Okay, so this one's only getting 1%, right? Ratings, which means we're gonna take 1% of all the sales per month. So at 1% of 753 is 7 sales a month. So now you're gonna have to decide if you're willing to share 7 sales per month with 8 other sellers with this much inventory at about 23 at about 22% ROI or higher, right? So, I mean, to me, this is pretty decent. I'm going to be sharing with 7 other sellers with this much inventory. ROI is pretty much on the high side. And then, yeah, I think this one's pretty decent. 7 sales a month shared with 8 other sellers with this much inventory. And it's giving you a 22% ROI or higher, right? So, I think it's pretty good or decent at least. So, there's that. Close it. Oh, darn. I closed the other one by accident. It's okay. We'll work with this one. So this one is a Nintendo Switch game, pre-owned. Why is it pre-owned? This one's pre-owned. So we're gonna see how much it's priced pre-owned. So $32, right? So $32.40 is the used price. $32.40. 19.99 is the sale price. GameStop, Nintendo Switch. Okay. So let's look. It's another variation. So it's 49 sales a month. It's a variation. So again, I go to variation, click on the variation right there. It usually auto selects. Click on check. So this exact variation is getting 100% of all the sales. So 49 sales a month goes to this variation. And then from here, we see if we are okay with sharing 49 sales a month with other sellers. So this one is getting 49 sales a month shared with 17 other sellers, and it gives you about a 24% ROI at least. Sorry, let's see. So 49 sales a month with this many people. Oh man, sorry guys. Right. I mean, it's not the best out there. Oh man, it's a lot of people. So I think I'm gonna skip on this one just because there's so many people on this listing to share 49 sales a month. I think there's better products out there, so this one is going to be skipped. And I hope you guys got value from my video. And again, if you guys haven't joined my free VIP Amazon group, I'm going to put the link in my description below, and that way you guys can join my free weekly Amazon calls and also network with other sellers. And with that said, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye-bye.